Gemini Nudity. Welcome to the world of high-end banking in 2026. We're reaching the $250,000 mark in liquid assets open stores that most people do not even know exist. If you have been grinding to hit that $250,000 milestone, you have likely realized that the traditional retail banking experience just does not cut it anymore. You want more than a plastic debit card and a generic customer service line. You want a relationship and perks that actually move the needle on your lifestyle. Today, we are putting the two heavyweights of mass affluent banking head-to-head, Chase Private Client and Citigold. We are going to break down which of these institutions treats your money with the respected deserts, and which one gives you the best return on your loyalty. We start with the blue giant Chase Private Client. For many years, this has been the gold standard for people who want to feel like a vet at their local branch. In 2026, the entry point officially sits at an average daily balance of $150,000 across your linked accounts, but the real magic happens when you cross that $250,000 threshold. When you walk into a Chase branch as a private client, you are not standing in the regular line. You are greeted by a dedicated private client banker who acts as your single point of contact for everything from a complex wire transfer to a mortgage application. This is for the person who values human interaction and wants a name and a face they can call whenever something goes wrong. One of the biggest selling points of Chase Private Client in 2026 is the total elimination of annoying fees. You get zero fees on incoming or outgoing wire transfers, both domestic and international, which can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year if you move money frequently. Your admin fees are waived worldwide, and Chase even goes a step further by not charging you the foreign exchange rate adjustment fee when you use your debit card abroad. Your daily limits for Zelle and mobile check deposits also get a massive boost, which is essential for business owners or high net worth individuals who deal with large sums of money on the fly. However, we need to clear up a major piece of misinformation that still circulates on the internet. Many old guides will tell you about the famous Chase Arts and Culture program that gave you free access to museums like the MoMA or the American Museum of Natural History. Unfortunately, that program was retired several years ago, and as of 2026, it has not returned. Instead, Chase has pivoted their lifestyle perks toward exclusive event access. You now get early pre-sale tickets and preferred seating at major venues like Madison Square Garden and the Chase Center. You also get access to J.P. Morgan thought leadership seminars, where you can hear from top economists and market strategists about where the world is heading. If you are a sports fan or a concert goer, Chase provides a level of access that is hard to beat. Now let us look at the challenger Citigold. Citibank has taken a very different approach to private banking in 2026. While Chase focuses on the in-branch relationship, Citi focuses on tangible lifestyle rewards and global connectivity. To qualify for Citigold, you need a combined average monthly balance of at least $200,000, which puts our target of $250,000 comfortably in the middle of their premier tier. The standout feature of Citigold is the annual subscription rebate. Citi knows that modern affluent clients spend a lot on digital services, so they offer up to $200 in statement credits every single year for things like Amazon Prime or Spotify or even Spreadcheck. For many people, this is a direct and easy way to see the value of their banking relationship in dollars and cents. Citi also dominates the travel category with their Citigold lounges. These are not airport lounges, but beautiful urban sanctuaries located in global hubs like New York and London and San Francisco. If you are traveling for business and need a quiet, high-end space to take a meeting or just grab a premium coffee between appointments, these lounges are a game changer. Furthermore, Citigold clients get access to the MasterCard travel and lifestyle services, which includes a 24/7 concierge and perks at over 4,000 luxury hotels around the world, including free breakfast and room upgrades. If your life involves a lot of international travel, Citi is built for your lifestyle in a way that Chase just cannot match. When we talk about the numbers and the actual yield on your money, Citi often takes the lead as well. In 2026, Chase still keeps their standard savings rates quite low even for private clients. They offer relationship rates, but they are usually negligible compared to what you can get at a high-yield online bank. Citi, on the other hand, is much more aggressive. They frequently offer tiered savings accounts for Citigold members that can reach up to 4% APY depending on your activities like direct deposits or investment amounts. If you are planning to keep a large chunk of that $250,000 in cash, Citi is going to make that money work much harder for you than Chase will. On the investment side, both banks integrate their wealth management arms directly into your banking app. Chase gives you JP Morgan Wealth Management, which is world-class and provides you with a team of advisors who can help you build a diversified portfolio. Citi gives you Citi Personal Wealth Management with a dedicated investment consultant. In 2026, both platforms have integrated sophisticated artificial intelligence tools that provide predictive insights into your spending and investing habits. These AI assistants can flag when you have too much cash sitting idle and suggest tax loss harvesting strategies in real time. The technology gap between these two has narrowed significantly, so your choice will likely depend on which user interface you find more intuitive. One area where Chase still holds an advantage is the credit card synergy. If you are a fan of the Sapphire Reserve or the Ink business cards, being a Chase private client often makes the approval process smoother and occasionally comes with higher sign-up bonuses that are not available to the general public. The Sapphire Reserve is arguably the best all-round travel card in 2026, and having it linked to your private client account makes for a very powerful financial ecosystem. Citi has a strong lineup with the Strata Elite and the Advantage Executive cards, but they do not quite have the same cult following or ease of use as the Chase Ultimate Rewards ecosystem. So which one should you choose for your $250,000 in 2026? If you are the type of person who still visits a bank branch and wants a dedicated professional who knows your name and your family, then Chase Private Client is the clear winner. The human element and the priority service at over 5,000 branches across the country are unmatched. It is the bank for the person who wants peace of mind and an easy life, where the fees just disappear and someone is always there to take their call. On the other hand, if you are a global citizen who values tangible perks like lounge access and subscription rebates, then Citigold is the superior choice. Citi treats banking like a premium membership, and they provide more value for the savvy investor who is looking for higher interest rates and global flexibility. The $200 annual credit essentially pays for a significant portion of your lifestyle costs, and the travel benefits are truly top tier for a mass affluent product. In conclusion, both Chase Private Client and Citigold represent the pinnacle of modern banking for the successful individual. The fact that you have reached this level of wealth means you have earned the right to be picky. Take a look at your own habits. Do you value the face-to-face relationship in a local branch, or do you value the global perks and higher yields of a digital powerhouse? Whichever way you go, you are stepping into a world of finance that is designed to support your success rather than just how